In our fast-paced and cluttered world, finding inner peace and balance can seem like an elusive goal. However, in the inspiring book Outer Order, Inner Calm by Gretchen Rubin, we discover that the key to tranquility lies in simplifying our external environment. Drawing on her own experiences and extensive research, Rubin shares practical strategies for decluttering, organizing, and creating outer order in our lives. As we bring order to our physical spaces, we simultaneously cultivate a sense of calm and clarity within ourselves. Join us as we delve into the pages of this transformative book, uncovering the profound impact that outer order has on our overall well-being. Get ready to embark on a journey of simplification and discover the power of creating inner calm through outer order as we explore Outer Order, Inner Calm. Introduction. In our fast-paced and cluttered world, finding inner calm and achieving a sense of order can be a challenge. The book Outer Order, Inner Calm by Gretchen Rubin offers practical strategies and insights to help readers create a more organized and peaceful environment. With a focus on decluttering, organizing, and simplifying, the book provides valuable guidance on how to bring order to our physical spaces and, in turn, cultivate a greater sense of inner tranquility. In this blog article, we will delve into the key concepts and ideas presented in Outer Order, Inner Calm. We will explore the author's approach to decluttering, the benefits of maintaining an organized environment, and the strategies she suggests for creating lasting order. By understanding and implementing these principles, readers can gain control over their surroundings, reduce stress, and create a harmonious atmosphere that fosters productivity and well-being. Let's embark on a journey of discovering the transformative power of outer order in achieving inner calm. Overview. Outer Order, Inner Calm by Gretchen Rubin is a practical and insightful guide that explores the connection between our external environment and our inner sense of calm and well-being. The book emphasizes the idea that by decluttering and organizing our physical spaces, we can cultivate a greater sense of peace, clarity, and productivity in our lives. Throughout the book, Rubin shares her personal experiences, research findings, and practical strategies to help readers declutter their homes, offices, and digital spaces. She provides actionable tips for letting go of unnecessary possessions, creating effective systems for organizing belongings, and maintaining order on a daily basis. The author emphasizes that achieving outer order is not about minimalism or perfection, but rather about finding what works best for each individual. She encourages readers to consider their own preferences and priorities when it comes to organizing and provides a range of ideas and approaches to suit different lifestyles. Outer Order, Inner Calm also explores the psychological and emotional benefits of decluttering and maintaining order. The author highlights how a tidy and organized environment can reduce stress, increase focus and productivity, and improve overall well-being. In the following sections, we will delve into the key chapters of the book, where we will uncover valuable insights and practical techniques for creating outer order and nurturing inner calm in our daily lives. Summary of key chapters. Chapter 1, Outer Order, Inner Calm. In this opening chapter, Gretchen Rubin introduces the concept of how our external environment impacts our internal state. She discusses the benefits of having a clutter-free and organized space, including reduced stress, improved focus, and increased productivity. Rubin also emphasizes that outer order looks different for everyone, and it's important to find what works best for you. Chapter 2, Make Your Bed. This chapter explores the power of simple daily habits and the impact they have on our overall sense of order and calm. Rubin advocates for the importance of starting the day with a small, achievable task like making your bed, which can create a sense of accomplishment and set a positive tone for the rest of the day. She shares practical tips for creating a morning routine that promotes a sense of order and tranquility. Chapter 3, Power Hour. Rubin introduces the concept of the power hour, a dedicated block of time each day to tackle small but significant tasks that contribute to a sense of order. She suggests identifying a specific hour when you can focus on completing tasks like replying to emails, paying bills, or decluttering a specific area of your home. The power hour helps prevent tasks from piling up and creates a sense of control over your time and space. Chapter 4: Toss, Restore, Organize. In this chapter, Rubin offers practical strategies for decluttering and organizing. She introduces the toss, restore, organize (TRO) method, which involves making quick decisions about items, finding a designated home for everything, and creating efficient organizational systems. Rubin emphasizes the importance of regularly reassessing possessions and letting go of items that no longer serve a purpose. Chapter 5: Know Yourself. This chapter focuses on understanding your personal organizing style and preferences. Rubin introduces the 4 tendencies framework, which categorizes individuals into upholders, questioners, obligers, and rebels. By knowing your tendency, you can tailor your approach to organizing and create systems that align with your natural inclinations. Rubin provides insights and tips for each tendency to help readers create a personalized approach to organizing. Chapter 6: Cultivate Good Habits. Rubin explores the connection between habits and outer order in this chapter. She explains the habit loop and how we can create positive habits that support a clutter-free and organized lifestyle. Rubin shares strategies for habit formation, habit tracking, and habit stacking to help readers integrate organizational habits into their daily routines. Chapter 7: Digital Clutter. In our digital age, clutter extends beyond physical spaces. This chapter addresses the challenges of digital clutter and offers practical tips for managing it. Rubin discusses strategies for decluttering email inboxes, organizing digital files, and creating a mindful approach to technology use. She highlights the importance of setting boundaries and creating digital spaces that support focus and well-being. Chapter 8: Outer Order for Inner Peace. The final chapter brings together the key themes of the book and reinforces the connection between outer order and inner calm. Rubin emphasizes that maintaining outer order is an ongoing process and requires consistent effort. She encourages readers to embrace small steps and to find joy in the process of creating order. Rubin reminds us that outer order is not an end in itself but a means to cultivate inner peace and a more fulfilling life. Throughout the book, Rubin provides relatable anecdotes, practical strategies, and thought-provoking insights that empower readers to create outer order and find greater inner calm in their daily lives. The chapters work together to provide a comprehensive guide to decluttering, organizing, and nurturing a sense of peace and harmony in our physical and digital spaces. Analysis and evaluation. Outer order, inner calm offers a refreshing perspective on the relationship between our external environment and our inner well-being. Gretchen Rubin's approach is practical, relatable, and highly actionable, making it easy for readers to implement the strategies and tips she provides. The book emphasizes the importance of finding what works for you individually and acknowledges that everyone's definition of outer order may vary. Rubin's use of personal anecdotes and examples adds authenticity and helps readers connect with the concepts on a deeper level. She explores various aspects of organization, including physical clutter, digital clutter, habits, and personal tendencies, providing a well-rounded approach to creating order and finding inner calm. One of the strengths of the book is its focus on small, achievable steps. Rubin encourages readers to start with manageable tasks and build momentum over time, which is both realistic and motivating. Her emphasis on self-awareness and understanding one's own organizing style is particularly valuable, as it allows individuals to tailor their approach to their unique preferences. While the book primarily focuses on practical strategies, It also touches on the psychological and emotional benefits of maintaining outer order. Rubin highlights the impact that clutter and disorganization can have on our mental state, productivity, and overall well-being. By framing organization as a means to cultivate inner peace, she provides a compelling motivation for readers to embrace the principles and practices discussed in the book. Outer Order, Inner Calm offers a well-rounded and actionable guide to creating order in our lives. The combination of relatable anecdotes, practical tips, and psychological insights makes it a valuable resource for anyone seeking to declutter their physical and digital spaces, cultivate positive habits, and find greater inner calm. Conclusion: Outer Order, Inner Calm is a valuable resource for anyone looking to bring more order and tranquility into their lives. With practical advice, relatable anecdotes, and a focus on individual preferences, Gretchen Rubin guides readers through the process of decluttering their physical and digital spaces, establishing positive habits, and finding inner peace. By recognizing the connection between our external environment and our inner well-being, the book offers a holistic approach to creating a sense of order and calm. Whether you are a minimalist at heart or someone who thrives in a bit of controlled chaos, this book provides the tools and insights needed to create a harmonious living space and a more serene state of mind.
Thank you for taking the time to listen this book summary. We hope you found it informative and thought-provoking. Don't forget to follow DY Books on social media to stay up to date on our latest book summaries and releases. Thank you once again and see you in next video.